Subscribe now. Acer manages a couple of feats of real engineering genius in the new Predator Triton 700, $2,999 at Amazon.com. This is a slim gaming laptop, and while similarly sized models usually top out at a mainstream Nvidia GeForce 1060 graphics card, the Triton has a gamer-friendly, top-of-the-line GeForce 1080. In the world of PC gaming, that's a pretty significant difference. The second bit of design magic is the low-profile mechanical keyboard, which looks and feels like something halfway between everyday island-style laptop keys and the deep, towering keys of standalone mechanical keyboards. The Triton 700 costs $2,999, which includes that Nvidia 1080, an Intel Core i7-7700HQ CPU, 32GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, along with a 1920 by 1080 non-touch 120Hz IPS display. In Australia, a similar model is $4,999 Australian dollars, while in the UK, the only available model trades down to a Nvidia GeForce 1060 GPU for £1,999. This is a premium laptop at a premium price, but one that is more portable and much cooler looking than most. The glass touchpad here certainly looks cool, sitting above the keyboard and integrated into a transparent piece of Gorilla Glass that shows off some of the internal components, like an ultra-thin Rayleigh fan, which we also saw in the recent Acer Helios 300. But it's hard to reach comfortably, the glass surface has too much drag for comfortable use, and the actual borders of the pad itself don't match up with the glass panel it sits on. You pretty much have to eyeball it to accurately control the cursor. There are some very faint corners etched into the glass, but they're almost impossible to see, and there's nothing to tell you by feel where the touchpad actually ends. Like other laptops in Acer's Predator line, there's an app for software-based GPU overclocking. We tested a handful of games on both normal and turbo settings, but saw a small boost at best. Even without overclocking, performance in our benchmark games, as well as new games like Divinity, Original Sin 2, was smooth, and better than other similarly sized laptops that use Nvidia's 1070 and 1060 GPUs.